What are you going to do outside?
I'm going to give my flower a little bit of water.
Outside?
Yeah.
But there's snow outside.
Yeah.
There can't be any flowers outside in the snow.
Yes they can. Move your ass.
No, they can't.
Shut up. What do you know?
A bit more than you, I guess.
Shut up. I don't want any criminals into the house again. Ooh, it's chilly outside today.
My boy lollipop, you make my heart go giddy up. You are as sweet as candy. You're my sugar dandy. Welcome, my boy lollipop. You'll never, never leave me, because it would grieve me. My heart told me so.
That's because it's winter. What do you do?
Shit! Holy crap!
I told you it was
fine.
snow.
I'm fine. I'm fine. Watch it. It is slippery. Touch the car. It's so warm.
Did you fall again?
Shut up. What did I say? What did I say?
What the hell? A flower? Are you kidding me? What are you gonna do?
It's real. I will
That's-
turn it into water and then I will...
That's snow.
Shut up. No, that's done.
But why did you come here to just throw some snow at it? It's always sitting in the snow.
Yeah, that's all it needed. Yeah.
But then you didn't need to go out here.
Shut up. I know better than you. What's wrong with you?
You have to be careful or else you'll fall again and again and again. Be careful, I said. What?
What the hell was you?
You're right.
Oh right, it's my own house.
It is slippy.
Who the hell are you? What?
Just unlock the door.
Oh! Ooh! Money! I dropped my key. Oh wait, here it is. What the hell? It's the wrong house! What the hell? Get off my sight. Criminal.
I'll turn it off now.
Huh?
I'll turn it off.
Here.